What is going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, appreciate all the support. Tonight is the start of another series. I know you guys are probably like, why are you doing all these series? To me, in short, I don't want to make this video too long. In short, when a company sends me products, I want them to get basically their money's worth, so to speak. If they send me like combos, 3 or 4 combos, I don't want to just do one video just clumped up into one 25-minute video. I want to be able to get all the information out as much as possible in like separate videos. That way I'm not trying to jam everything in one video. So apologize for that. Now that I got that out of the way, I got a great series for you. I got a company for you that's again, no stranger to the beard world. They redid mostly all of their items, all of their products, except I believe their bottles. But this company is called Beard of God. Before we get into the intro, I just want to say, using these products smell absolutely fantastic. So enjoy the intro, and we'll see you in here in a minute. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying that intro. I'm thinking about changing it. I know I said it a couple other times, but I don't know. I like different stuff, you know. But anyway, like I said, this company is called Beard of God, and they sent me a buku of products to review for you guys. And let me just say this: the scents that they sent me are strong. They smell good, and just all around work great in beard. I've seen their reviews. I've read reviews. I've seen other guys review their products, and they're nothing short of a premium quality beard company. The oils are for 1 ounce is $14. I believe for a hand whipped butter is $10. That's for a 2 ounce. So amazing quality stuff. The tins look amazing. I absolutely love the bottles. When you order from Beard of God, you'll get a few things. They sent me this nice big sticker. Always nice getting a sticker, and this little card as well. And they packed all of these products in little kind of like burlap bags, which is a really nice touch. And I have a buku of these too, and they got them in the bigger sizes, as you can see. And these come in handy. I know I use a lot of mine at work and around the house. What's nice about this, they sent a breakdown of the contents that they sent me, and a breakdown of the scent profiles, which every single one of them I absolutely loved. As my daughters loved, my wife loved them. They just smell really good. They're awesome, awesome scents. The ingredients is 100% natural, no parabens, no GMOs. Just phenomenal products. This is the first time I've ever tried them, and I've probably had them. It's probably going on a couple of months now. I've been so busy. I wanted to make sure I get proper use out of each individual product itself. But like I said, there are going to be 3 videos. We're going to do the oils, we're going to do the butters, and then we're going to finish it off with the shampoo. So without further ado, let's get into this. What I really liked personally about what they sent me is this nice tray. And this thing is beautiful. Like, I actually want to hang this on my wall because it looks good. It looks good. I mean, not every day that you have companies send you something like this. And it's not a flimsy piece of tin or anything like that. It just looks really good. Okay, now we can get on with the oils. Sorry guys, I know I keep rambling. The first oil is warm tobacco pipe smoke. And the bottles, I just love the bottles. They're pump tops. They're square cut kind of looking bottles. And on the back. And this literally smells like somebody's sitting next to you smoking a pipe. It's It's probably another one of the most authentic pipe smoke scents out there. The scent consists of a smoky tobacco leaf having notes of herbaceous tobacco leaf followed by a touch of sweet honey and finishing with a smoky, leathery cedar wood, fresh cherry wood, and vanilla bean, masculine, refreshing, and soothing. And it exactly is what it is. It's phenomenal. I'm sorry, guys. I keep hyping these up, and I really do mean it. These are phenomenal products. The oil is a little on the thinner side. I don't want to drop it on the floor. And it just, oh man, that smells absolutely amazing. I mean, this was probably my favorite because I'm a big tobacco fan. Another thing, the oils absorbed into my skin really fast, and they feel great in beard. It's a clear consistency oil. It's like I said, it's on the thinner side, but feeling in beard is absolutely phenomenal. Beard of God, this is literally products for a god. Like, that is no joke. The ingredients in the oils, got my cheat sheet handy. Argan oil, grapeseed. I'm sorry, got my cheat sheet here. Argan oil, grapeseed oil, almond, jojoba, avocado, vitamin E. Like I said, there's no parabens, no GMOs. The hemp oil they used is certified kosher, and that was warm tobacco pipe smoke. The next one is called Tonka and Tobacco. And again, the bottles are just, I love these bottles. They're like little medicine bottle type looking. And the Tonka and Tobacco scent, let's see, Tonka Tobacco, remnants of a British gentleman's club highlighted with an opulent blend of pure and sultry notes of aged tobacco flower, tonka bean, cocoa, frankincense, raspberry, precious woods, and a subtle undertone of soft suede. And again, it's exactly what that smells like. It's on the verge of a cologne, in my opinion, and it just, the scent of it, guys, you definitely want to check Beard of God out. These feel like products for a god, in my opinion. Just overall, with the combination of the oil and the butter, because they sent me different scents in the butter, mixing them together. I've used them all separate. Just mixing them together. I think the gentleman's name is Donald. He started that on Instagram. Real nice guy. He started mixing, 2 cents, and then they went with 3 cents. Go check him out on Instagram. I'll link his page down below. Real awesome dude. But he is right. When you mix these scents, they absolutely smell phenomenal. And that was Tonka and Tobacco. Get you. There we go. And the last and final one for this first review is a Woodsy Oud Rare. Again, I know you guys are saying we've already seen the bottle, blah blah blah. Sorry guys. The Woodsy Oud is an exotic and distinctive. It is a resin from the heart of agarwood tree, Aquilaria maculacensis, native to southern and southeastern Asia. Notes: oudwood, rosewood, cardamom, sandalwood, vetiver, tonka bean, and amber. And this is probably the strongest oud I've smelled, but it's got nice sweet notes to it. And this just lasts forever. They all last. The longevity of these they last a long time, all day plus some. But the Woodsy Oud, this one in particularly, I can't say that word. In particularly, put it on in the morning, once or twice, maybe once in the morning and once in the afternoon to kind of refresh, because I love the smell of it. The next morning I wake up and I would still smell the oud. So by far, this is probably one of the better ouds that I've ever smelled. Fantastic. In beard feel, again, feels great. These oils put a nice shine on my beard. And I'm starting to really dig the shine because it kind of glistens in the sun. I think that's a song, actually. But just, if you haven't tried Beard of God, guys, try them. Give them a shot. The products are inexpensive. $14 for a 1 ounce oil, $10 for 2-ounce hand-whipped butter. Just, you can't go wrong. Last but not least of this first video is a moisturizing body lotion, and it's in that same scent. And as you can see, I've been hammering on this, well, plus the wife has too. And again, it's a really, really nice consistency, thick lotion. I'll actually go ahead and show you guys. Squeeze a little bit out because I don't want to waste any. And you can see it's just, it moisturizes the skin. I know my wife said she's enjoyed using it because it makes her skin soft. And you know, happy wife, happy life. And again, that woodsy oud, you get them aftertones of that sweetness. Just, it sets that off, that oud, big time. You guys, if you like oud, you're gonna love this oud. It's a really good one. I'll leave all the links in the description box below to get every single one of these oils. Again, Beard of Gods, if you haven't tried them, stop what you're doing right now. Click the link below and go order some. You won't regret it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, guys, please hit that thumbs up. I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments over on Instagram. You guys are awesome. I'm going to keep continuing to give you my best reviews possible. Big shout out to the owners of Beard of God for sending all the products. I appreciate that. Until the next review, guys, peace.